Hi, I'm Denise and you're watching Law with Denise. So I know that many of you struggle with different aspects of the law, with understanding different aspects of the law. Perhaps you're struggling with understanding legal concepts such as judicial precedent or negligence, or you're struggling to understand areas of contract law, or tort law, or business law. And I know that some people find it difficult to develop the skills necessary or the skills needed to succeed on exams such as A-level law exams or SQE1 or SQE2. Now, my work is designed to help you to get out of that situation. My work is designed to help students like you gain clarity, to understand the law, to understand the concepts and principles adequately, and to develop the skills necessary for you to succeed on whatever law exam you're doing, whether it be A-level, SQE, or whether it be assignments that you need to complete for foundation law or for undergraduate law studies. That is the purpose of my work, and this channel, as you know, is used to do this. And many of you have told me that this channel has helped you, and I'm grateful for that. But you know, I want to help you more. I want to give you more Law with Denise. I think I could help in much more effective ways. And the question is, do you want more Law with Denise? Well, if you want more Law with Denise, you only need to do one thing, and that one thing is join one of the 5 Law with Denise email lists. Now, why would you join a Law with Denise email list? There are 3 specific things that you will get if you join a Law with Denise email list. 1, you're going to save time. What I mean by this is, I know what I've written, I know which blogs I've written, I know what videos I've created, and I know where to find reliable sources on the internet. So if I have you on an email list, I will be able to send you information that is relevant to you depending on where you are in your legal career. This saves you the time of going around looking for sources and not being sure as to whether or not this source is reliable or not. The second benefit of joining a Law with Denise email list is that you get a much closer look into my head, and you get closer to the information that I consume. I read legal judgments and articles all the time, but I wouldn't necessarily make videos about them. If you're on an email list and I know that what I've read would be useful to you, I can simply email you. Now, the other benefit is when I make myself available for one-to-one tuition or group teaching or group coaching, you will be one of the first people to know that I am available for such a service. This means, again, you're saving time and perhaps stress, because you're not going to be going around the internet looking for a tutor and thinking, is this person suitable for me and for what I'm doing now? All that will happen is you receive an email and the email will say, Denise is available for tuition, or Denise has opened up a slot for group tuition. Maybe you're doing A-level law, or maybe you're preparing for SQE1 and something becomes available. There's a group class that could benefit you, and you will be one of the first people to know if you join a Law with Denise email list. Now, which email list should you join? I did say there were 5. So what are they? There's a Foundation Law with Denise email list. There's the A-level Law with Denise email list. There's the undergraduate and postgraduate Law with Denise email list. There's the SQE1 Law with Denise email list. And there's the SQE2 Law with Denise email list. You don't need to join all lists. You just need to join the list that suits you best, wherever you are right now. And there's a link to each list in the description of this video. So all you need to do is click and you're on the list. Who joins the Foundation Law with Denise email list? Foundation Law students. What do you get? You get support from a teacher who has taught foundation law for many years, who has not only taught on a foundation law course, more than one, but has also designed one herself. Who joins the A-level Law with Denise email list? A-level law students. It doesn't matter if you're doing Cambridge, EdXL, or OCR. It does not matter. All of these A-level law courses have very similar content and the level is around the same. The exams look a little bit different. If you join this list, it doesn't matter which one of these exam boards you're preparing to do your exam with, you will get relevant information. I know a lot of the content that is examined on these exams, and I've also been an examiner for more than one exam board, so I could help you with that as well. If I decide to open up any small group teaching for A-level law exam preparation, then you will be one of the first people to know. Now, the undergraduate and postgraduate Law with Denise email list is for undergraduate law students and master's law students. It could be an LLM or an MA in law that you're doing. It doesn't matter. Join this email list. Now, you don't want to be on the other email list because you're not preparing for an A-level law exam and you're not preparing for SQE1. You're preparing different types of assignments. You might be doing problem questions, or if you're a master's student, you might be writing long form essays. So the advice and support that I will be giving you if you're on this list will be specific to you. So join that. And also, if you're not an undergraduate law student, but perhaps you're doing another degree, but you're doing a module or two on law, join this list as well. So the SQE1 Law with Denise email list, this list is for students who are preparing for SQE1 or who are thinking, maybe I'll do it. Why join this list? You're going to find out more about the exam. You're going to gain knowledge of the different areas of law that appear on the exam, and you're going to get tips on how to confidently prepare for it. And I may as well open up slots for tuition or some sort of support, either one-on-one or as a group, and you will be one of the first people to know. SQE2 Law with Denise email list. This list is for students who are preparing for SQE2 or you're thinking about it. Why join the SQE2 Law with Denise email list? Well, you're going to get more information and more clarity on what the exam entails and how to prepare for it. You'll learn about the different skills that are examined on these exams and the areas of law in which they are examined, and you will get tips on how to develop these skills so that you can succeed in your SQE2 exam. So there you have it. There are 5 Law with Denise email lists, and there are specific benefits to joining the one that is most suitable for you at this stage in your legal career. So why wait? Follow the link in the description and join the list that suits you, and I'll be in touch very, very soon. Until next time, take care and bye-bye.